Hey guys, this is Philip in the Austin office, and I want to talk to you about how to add some licenses to your network, to an existing solid network license manager, which would be over on the server side. We're going to do this in two ways. We're going to modify the current installation of that solid network license manager, and then we're going to activate and reactivate the new licenses. Now, if you have the same serial number for your new products, you can skip right to that activate, reactivate step. But if you have some additional serial numbers to enter for some new products, you'll have to modify that current installation. So the way we're going to do that is by going to the Programs and Features list or the Add or Remove Programs list. You can do that from a right click down in the left corner on Windows 8.1. In Windows 7 and before, you'll find Programs and Features on the control panel. Looks like this. It shows all of the different applications and pieces of software I have installed, and you'll find the SolidWorks Solid Network License Manager down on this list. And I'm simply going to right click here and choose to change this installation. You can uninstall and repair here, but I'm going to choose the middle option to change. And this will actually launch the Solid Network License Manager setup. Once you get here, hit Next. Again, you have the option of Repair, Remove, or Modify. I'm going to stick with Modify and hit Next. And here you can see my one serial number that I've put in. If you have additional serial numbers to enter, simply put in a comma, a space, and then type in the next serial number. That's really all there is to it. You can put as many as you need there. Just put a comma in between them, and you'll be good to go. And then choose Next. This is going to update everything it needs to registry software-wise, so you'll hit the Install button. It's a very quick process. Even the install itself is an extremely quick process, so not a lot of wait time here, not really any downtime. I don't have to restart my server during this process. I've now taken the steps to modify the SNL, because all I'm really doing here is adding a simple number to it. Now that I've modified it, the key step here, the real key step, is to activate, reactivate. So what I mean by that is we're going to launch the Solid Network License Manager. Now make sure that you're on the server, or if you're using this Solid Network License Manager from another machine, that you're looking at this Server Administration tab. There's also a Network License Manager client that can go just for regular users. They won't have the Administration tab, so make sure you have the Server Admin tab so that you know you're on the server side here. And look for the Modify button. So after modifying the install, we're going to hit Modify again, and this dialog will allow you to activate, reactivate a software license. If you didn't have additional serial numbers to enter, you're just using the same serial number, but maybe you added some products to that one serial number, this is where you'd come to. The Server Admin tab in the SNL, hit Modify, choose Activate, Reactivate, and choose Next. These settings are already going to be set up from your previous install, so hit Next one more time. You can see a list of your serial numbers here, and you can select all if you'd like to. And I'm choosing Automatically over the Internet and just hitting Next. And now you can see that I reactivated successfully, activated successfully, and all the new licenses which are currently available on my system. That's it. It's a pretty simple process, really quick. If you have any questions at all, please send an email over to solidworksupport@mlc-cad.com, and I'd be happy to answer them for you. Thank you.